Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Chevy Volt. The Chevy Volt can drive up to 40 miles a day without a drop of gas and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.